I'm doing a quick review of these Ultra Cuisine baking racks. They are 100% stainless steel, half sheet, and they are a super awesome quality. So I'll try to take a step back so you can see what they look like. They fit perfectly in my half sheet pans, and they are my secret to crispy chicken wings, because you coat the chicken wings super dry, coat them with a little bit of baking powder, bake them at a high temperature. The air gets under them at the rack and they get super crispy. It goes up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in your oven, and they'd be great for all kinds of cooking. So I've used them a bunch of times, come out great in the dishwasher, so I highly recommend these cooking racks, and they're also great for a cooling rack too if you have the need.